Okay, so come for a briefing everyone. After that you do your tasks for closing the banquet hall. In this video, I will tell you the steps to close your shift in banquet properly. But before I do that, in case you are new here, this channel is meant for people working in hotels or interested in working in one. Welcome to Clarified Better on YouTube, and if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, do click the red button and subscribe. We do post videos to help you learn about working in hotels on this channel. All the videos are 2 to 3 minutes long and can help you learn something new every day. Okay, so I am going to tell you the 11 steps to close a banquet properly. Step 1. Clear all the glasses and china and flatware from the table. Step 2. Remove the soiled linen, count it and send it to laundry. Exchange it for fresh linen that you can keep in the linen store. Step 3. Remove the audio-visual equipment and return it to proper place. Step 4. Search for any items left behind by guest and send it to Lost and Found department. Step 5. Inform the engineering department to turn off the air conditioning. Step 6. Remove the trash and call housekeeping to vacuum the floor. Step 7. Make any maintenance request for things that need fixing. Step 8. Clean the pantry, coffee machine or any other cleaning that needs to be done. Step 9. If there is a function the next day, set up the hall. Step 10. Lock the door to the banquet hall and return the key to security. Step 11. Make any report about the event and send it to the food and beverage manager. So that is your 11-step process to close the banquet hall after a function. Did I leave out anything from the list? Let me know in the comments below. And in case you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Do visit our website as well. It is clarifiedbetter.com. On the website you will be able to get started for free certificate courses that can help you in your career. Keep learning. I will see you in the next video.